my name is Fiona. To those who are new, and to my ever-present viewers, thank you for always coming back. I'm so happy to see you. May God bless you. Yes, so today we are back again with a new video about nature, God's lessons of love, God's lessons of love, lessons of obedience, trust, and so many other things that we're going to be having on this channel in this episode of God Still Speaks to Us. So stick around, and right now let's get into our video. Although the earth is blighted with curse, nature should be our lesson book. It cannot now represent goodness only, for evil is upon the earth, sea, air with all its defiling touch. Where once was written the character of God, the knowledge of good is now written also the character of Satan and the knowledge of evil. But from here, where both character of good and evil is marred, we are to continuously receive warnings as to the result of sin. The spirit of rebellion, to which our first parents gave interest, extended throughout creation. The effects of sin were felt and experienced by all the created beings. From the falling of the leaf, from the drooping flower, there is loss of life for animals and man. Everything that is created is suffering the effects of sin upon the earth. But man was not abandoned to the results of the evil that he had chosen. In the sentence pronounced in Genesis chapter 3 verse 15, there is a promise not only for man, for Adam and Eve, but even to us all. Though marred by sin, nature still speaks not only of creation, but also of redemption. Though the earth bears the testimony to the curse in the evident signs of decay, it is still rich and beautiful in the tokens of life-giving power. When we look at the trees, they cast off their leaves only to be covered with the fresh ones. The flowers die to spring forth in new beauty, and every manifestation of creative power is held out with assurance that we may be created anew in righteousness and holiness of truth, according to Ephesians chapter 4, verse 24. These objects of nature that bring so vividly to mind our great loss become to us the messengers of hope. As far as evil extends and exists, the voice of our Father is heard, bidding you and me to see the results of sin around us, and warning us to forsake the evil, and inviting us to receive the good. In you today, hear His voice. Alright guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Also like, share and also comment. If you've not you make sure that you hit on that notification bell so that you don't miss out when a new video is being uploaded. For now, bye.